Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Dr. Linz and today we're going to do something yummy. I'm going to make a protein pancake mug cake. So we're gonna make a pancake in a mug, easy peasy. I like to make this when I have a late night sweet tooth craving. I'll use this as a snack or even like a meal since we do have protein in it. Before I get into it, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful video. And also throw a comment below if you're gonna try this, all right? I'm gonna link up everything I use here in the description so you can hop on board with this protein pancake mug cake. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna give some important tips as we go along here, so hang in there. All right, first things first, we're gonna start with what kind of mug to use. I recommend a cappuccino mug or there's water in that, a soup mug or a small bowl instead of the skinny mugs, okay? It will cook better that way. All right, so first thing we have is I like to use Paleo Birch Bender's pancake mix. All right, you can swap out for another mix. This is just what I prefer because of the better ingredients. So we're going to simply do 1/4 cup of Birch Bender's Paleo pancake mix right in here, easy peasy. Next up, we're going to use a good baking protein. I love and recommend Level 1. In fact, I had a lady tell me they used a different protein brand with one of our sweet treats and it did not turn out. It's because not all proteins bake the same. They're not as good as quality. So I got Level 1 here. You can use any flavor of Level 1. 3/4 of a scoop of Level 1 protein right in the mug. Alrighty. Next up, I like to either add chocolate chips where I'll do like 1 tablespoon or I'll do some mashed up banana. I have about 1/3 cup mashed up banana. We're gonna add her in there, all of that. So far we have our mug looking tasty and yummy. Next we have our baking soda. I'm just gonna add a dash of this. I just estimate, so bear with me here. I'll try to show you. That came out pretty fast, but just a little sprinkle of that, of baking soda. That's gonna help it rise a little bit more. And then we have choice milk. I like to use almond milk personally. That is my milk of choice. And we're gonna go 2 to 3 tablespoons. And with this, we're going to want it to get like a pancake consistency. So let's go 3 tablespoons. I may have to add some more in here because I won't lie, usually when I make this I kind of just throw it together, but so we're gonna mix it until it's completely mixed like you would anything else that you bake. So this is looking kind of thick, so we're gonna add 1 more tablespoon. 4 tablespoons choice milk. Numero 4. Boom. This is gonna be good. So we're gonna mix her up. There we go. This is completely mixed. And I like to scrape from the bottom, bring it to the top, scrape to the bottom, bring it to the top, because sometimes you can get some of that flour or that protein stuck to the bottom there. And we wanna make sure, here's the consistency of it. See, it reminds you of a pancake because we got a pancake going on here. All right, now we have a tip coming up. Let's get that extra batter up. We're gonna go to the microwave because this is an easy peasy recipe. And we're gonna go 22 seconds. I hit 2 because it's easy. Now, remember that each microwave is different. Some are more powerful than others, so yours might be slightly different than what mine is. So just keep that in mind. The key is not to overcook anything, right? Because then it gets dry and we don't want that. We're gonna take it out, and then what we're going to do, look how fluffy that is already. We're going to take it and we're gonna mix it up. And mixing it up in between intervals, what that's going to do is help cook it evenly so it's not dry in some areas and then still mushy in other areas. So I mixed it up. We're gonna do another 22 seconds. All right, so see what this looks like? Now I'm gonna show you in the center, it's still kind of uncooked. So we're gonna do We're gonna just swirl it around just a little bit this time. And this time, I'm going to do 12 seconds. And I'm just shortening the intervals as I get closer to it being done. And once you get into a routine of doing this, it's so easy and so simple. You got yourself a tasty little treat, easy peasy. Okay, we are complete. So here we have our protein pancake mug cake. If you are a pancake fan, even if you're not, you're craving something sweet, I'm telling you, this right here is delicious. So what I will do sometimes in the evening, I'll whip this up if I have a sweet tooth craving. I'm eating this right now as a mid-morning snack. It's very versatile because we have one important thing in here. We have a protein source, and we got ourselves a good carb source, which is going to help curb our sweet tooth, fulfill our hunger, and also help us with our health goals. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna try a little bit of this, but it's gonna be really hot. It's absolutely delicious with no syrup or anything, just a perfect amount of sweetness. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy my protein pancake mug cake. Give it a try. I'll put the links below to everything I use, and don't forget to give this a like. All right, guys, peace, love. We'll talk to you later.